Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we are Sunday resetting. It's time to get the house cleaned back up, get ready for the week. So I've got loads of laundry that I need to get done. I've got a ton of like packages from the week that I need to break down and get those out so that Danny can get those to recycling at the dump. You guys had commented on a recent video where I talked about that, and we do recycle all of the boxes. It's just that we recycle so much throughout the week that our recycling bin is full. It's like a big giant full-size trash can, but it's full. So we don't put like our Amazon boxes and things like that in there. We just break them down and then take them to the dump where we recycle them. Nothing gets like thrown away. So Danny has a degree in environmental science. So I assure you, we recycle literally everything. So don't worry, we are not throwing away those boxes. But I got a ton of boxes that I need to break down, just an overall ick, that's been here. And my house has been very sick. My kids have had the flu all week. Ryan has literally been home all week long and is finally feeling better. So I just want to deep clean and Lysol things, like Lysol my sofa and stuff like that. I don't know, maybe I'll even try to put stuff in the wash. I don't know yet, we'll see. But also, side note, I have already decorated for Valentine's Day, but you're not gonna see that video before this video, so you're going to peep Valentine's decor, but that video will be coming up on Tuesday, so make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss it. And I think that is it. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and get the laundry flipped over and get that going. I feel like there's just always so much laundry. You guys know I've talked to you about the woes of laundry before, but we're just gonna go ahead and get this flipped over so we can move on to the next thing. Next up, we're going to go ahead and break down these boxes. I've talked to you before about how we have to break these down and take them to the dump. We don't have to take them to the dump. We just do that so that way it doesn't fill up our recycling bin, because we do have a tremendous amount of recycling. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. I also have some groceries there to put away. I had ordered some Gatorade for everybody that was sick. I also ordered some bananas for breakfast smoothies, as well as some popsicles and some Rayo's chicken noodle soup. Comes in a jar and it's super good on a pinch if you're not feeling like making your own from scratch. I have been guilty of ordering a lot of new clothes from Walmart recently. I just posted a new Walmart try-on haul. Those are actually clothes I all found in person at my local Walmart. However, I am notorious for ordering things that I see other content creators share, and anything I don't like or that doesn't fit, I just take back to the store, not a problem. But I feel like I have hit the lottery lately when it comes to clothes from Walmart. So definitely check out that last try-on haul that I just posted. I posted it yesterday if you haven't seen it yet, and I was really impressed with some of those great finds. The next thing I need to invest in is a new pair of slippers. As you can see, I'm rocking my Santa slippers. These are actually from Amazon, and they are way too big now, and they just like fall off my feet, but they're pretty warm. So you're gonna see me floating around in those a lot, but it makes it look like I can barely walk because I am like clenching my toes trying to keep them on my feet. So Danny is also just getting home now, and as you can tell, he's got a lot to share. He's just talking to me about his day, and I think I mentioned here on my channel that he's in a new role at work, and he's just trying to find his rhythm and find a new groove. And he's a great guy. He's a special ed teacher. He teaches in an intensive care room, and he went last year from teaching students with intense needs in a sub-separate school, a therapeutic school, to now he's in a sub-separate classroom in a middle school. So he's definitely got a heart of gold, and there's a special place for this guy in heaven, that's for sure. Moving over to the living room now, I'm going to go ahead and grab these blankets from where Ryan was laying and bring these to the laundry room to be washed and sanitized. I'm going to go ahead and flip over all of the cushions, get everything fluffed back up, and then I'm going to just spray everything down with some Lysol, clean up all of his goodies here from having the flu, and just get everything feeling nice and tidy again. I love to use the Arm & Hammer carpet deodorizer. This is like a pet carpet deodorizer. I buy it on Amazon. It just comes in subscribe and save, so I always have it. But I'm just going to put this down on the rug here in the living room and then give it a quick vacuum. Just freshens everything up and makes everything smell really nice. Usually I'll do this on all my rugs, but today, for time's sake, we're just going to focus on this one here in my living room. This is a newer rug. I did just recently pick this up right before Christmas, I think maybe back in November, and I love this rug. It's from Walmart. I have it linked for you down below. It's incredibly affordable, and I like that it's really short, so that way it doesn't hold on to pet hair and dirt. Super easy to clean. One thing you can't tell is happening from this clip is how much singing is happening. Ryan and I were full-blown rocking out to the Wicked soundtrack, and I so wish I could play it for you here so you could hear us, but make sure you're following me over on Instagram at Charlotte Grove Farmhouse. I think the day this video goes live, I'll share some clips on my stories so you can hear us rocking out because we were having the best time. And there's a little cameo from my sweet 16-year-old. That's my oldest son, Aiden. He was working on using the air fryer, but just going to get the towels put away, and we're going to clean out the kitchen sink. Everything was feeling really, really clean and fresh and ready for a new week. I can't believe how quickly and yet not quickly January went. It went by so fast, and yet it feels like it was forever. Even though I will say it's definitely not the longest month in the year. March definitely is way harder. There are no breaks. We have 4 full weeks in March, and it's painful, but January always feels like it's so long, and yet now that it's over, I feel like it just flew by. over to my coffee bar now. We're going to go ahead and clean off the countertops, and a lot of you had given me the suggestion to clean off my stains from the coffee pot with the barkeeper's friend, so we're going to give that a shot. It did a pretty decent job. My friend Robin from Robin Lane Low from here on YouTube, she has her own channel. I have it linked for you down below, but it was her suggestion that I saw first, so we're going to give it a shot. I probably could have grabbed the Scrub Daddy and given it a little bit more of a scrub, and it probably would have done a little bit better of a job, but it did okay. So I just want to give a huge thank you to all of you for coming and spending a little bit of your Sunday with me. Hopefully you feel motivated to get some things checked off of your to-do list. I definitely feel motivated now that I'm editing this. I feel like I need to get out there and get some more things done. So I truly appreciate that. Again, make sure that you're following me over on Instagram at Charlotte Grove Farmhouse. I try to post something every single day. I've got fresh reels coming up, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you have a beautiful week, my friends. Take care.